Okay, children. Next, learn about triangles. Learn about triangles. What is mean by triangle? So triangle is children the simple closed figure. The simple closed figure formed by three sides. The simple closed figure formed by three sides. Formed by three sides. Okay, three sides undi. Adi closed figure ayunde. That is called triangle. See children, 1, 2, 3, three sides. Okay, A, B, C. This is triangle. This formed by three sides and it is closed figure. Three sides in the prati triangle avadu. See, 1, 2, 3. Three sides undi. This is triangle. No, three sides and it is a closed figure. Closed figure antaru. So at closed figure avutundi. One side, two sides, third side closed figure avante compulsory ee rendu kuda join avali. So this is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, children. Next, in this triangle, three sides. One, two, three. Next, three angles. Three angles here. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Three angles and three vertices. Three vertices. What is mean by vertices? Vertices means it is a point. It is a point. Vertex or vertices mean point anamata. Okay, ekkadaithe join avutayo two lines segments join avutayo that is called vertex. Okay, vertex. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is three vertices. One unte vertex antaru, more unte vertices antaru. Okay, children, triangle has three sides, three angles, three vertices. Okay, this is about triangle. This is about triangle. Okay, it is simple closed figure by three sides. Okay, children. Next, already మీకు ఓల్డ్ పీపుల్స్ ప్రకారం ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను నేను ఇంటీరియర్ అంటే ఎక్స్టీరియర్ అంటే ఇంటీరియర్ మీన్స్ గివెన్ ఫిగర్ ఇన్సైడ్. ఓకే, ఇంటీరియర్ మీన్స్ ఇన్సైడ్, ఎక్స్టీరియర్ మీన్స్ అవుట్సైడ్. ఎక్స్టీరియర్ మీన్స్ అవుట్సైడ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఏ బి సి ఉన్నాం. ఓకే, ఇంటీరియర్ మీన్స్ ఇన్సైడ్ లో ఏదైతే ఉందో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇంటీరియర్. ఈ ఫిగర్ కి అవుట్ సైడ్ లో ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఎక్స్టీరియర్. ఆన్ ది బౌండరీ అంటే ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్న సర్కిల్ మీద ఆన్ ది బౌండరీ దీని పైన ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఆన్ ది బౌండరీ అంటారు. ఓకే, నౌ సి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 9.2 చూడండి. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 9.2 లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం 9.2 లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. here one triangle given. Yeah, one triangle given. What is the triangle? A, B, C. A, B, C. And here some points given. Inside O, K, L. Yeah, O, K, L. Next on the boundary I, J. Yeah, I, yeah, J. Next here on the boundary here outside Y. Yes, right side Y, Z. Okay, like this is X. Okay, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. This is outside. Okay, this is the given figure. Okay, see first question. First question today. Which points are marked in the exterior of the triangle? Which, listen carefully. Which points are marked in the exterior of the triangle? Exterior. What is mean by exterior? Outside. ఈ triangle కి outside లో ఏ పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవి మనం రాయాలి. ఈ triangle కి outside లో ఏమున్నాయి? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So these three are exterior of this triangle. Okay. Now X, Y, Z. First problem solution. Which points are marked in the exterior of the triangle? X, Y, Z are the continuation of X, Y, Z are marked in the exterior of the triangle. Marked in the exterior of the triangle. Write complete solution sentence. Okay, X, Y, Z are marked in the exterior of the triangle. Okay, children. Next, second one. First one, second one. Which points are marked on the triangle? Which points are marked on the triangle? And on the triangle, triangle side border ఈ border మీదనే I and J, I and J, I and J are marked on the triangle. I and J are marked on the triangle. Okay, next one, third problem. Which points are marked in the interior of the triangle? Which points are marked in the interior of the triangle? Interior means inside the triangle. Inside the area points ఉన్నాయి K, O and L are interior of the triangle. K, O and L are interior of the triangle. Okay, so first one, exterior of the triangle, x, y, z are exterior of the triangle. Outside long x, y, z. Next, on the boundary I and J. Next, interior of the triangle K, O, L. Okay, this is the solution first one. Okay, note down. Write complete sentence here. X, y, z are exterior of the triangle. I and J are on the triangle. K, O and L are interior of the triangle. Okay, children, note down. Next, second problem. Next, second problem. Say, look at the adjacent figure. Answer the following question. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఫిగర్ ఇచ్చారు. That is, this is triangle కదా. మనకు ట్రయాంగిల్ గురించి నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ సార్ అని ట్రయాంగిల్. ఓకే, P Q R. This is P Q R. P Q R. Okay. Look at the adjacent figure. Answer the following questions. First one, how many? First question చూడండి. How many sides are there in the triangle? What are they? First one, how many sides are in the triangle? What are they? ఈ triangle లో ఎన్ని sides ఉన్నాయి? అవి ఏంటి? See children, first one, ఎన్ని sides in the triangle? Triangle means 3 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sides. 3 sides. What are the sides ఏంటి మనకి? See, first one, PQ, QR, R. Okay, PQ, QR, R, P. PQ, QR, R, P. Okay, this is the first one. Next, second question. How many vertices lie there on the triangle? What are they? Okay, how many vertices? Vertices and already we explain this one. So this is a common point of every two line segments. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. 3 vertices. 3 vertices. What is the 3 vertices? They are P, Q, R. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Next, third one. What is the side opposite to the vertex P? What is the side opposite to the vertex P? Vertex P ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఇది కదా. సో ఈ vertex P కి ఆపోజిట్ లో ఉన్న సైడ్ ఏంటి? దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ లో ఉన్నది ఏంటి? ఇది కాబట్టి QR అవుతుంది. ఓకే, QR. QR is the side opposite to the vertex P. Opposite to the vertex P. Opposite to the vertex P. QR is opposite to the vertex P. P ki opposite to the side ఏంటంటే QR. Okay children. Next, fourth one. What is the vertex opposite to the PR? What is the vertex opposite to the PR? PR ki opposite ఉన్న vertex ఏది? This is PR. దీనికి opposite ఉంది Q. Opposite of what is Q అన్నమాట. Q is the vertex opposite to PR. Opposite to PR. Opposite to PR. Opposite to PR. Okay. So this is the second row, 4 question answers. Okay, here triangle given in the textbook. Okay, this is new textbook ma. This is new textbook. Okay, revised textbook. Okay, second problem. Triangle given first 3 sides. 3 sides and triangle sides and triangle means 3 sides are PQ, QR, RP. Okay, next how many vertices are there? 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3 vertices. What is the vertices? P, Q, R. Next QR is the opposite to the vertex P. Okay, next Q is the opposite vertex of P, R. Okay, so this is the solution. Write down, write neatly. Okay. See children, next problem. Look at the given figure. Third problem. Look at the given triangle and answer the following questions. Okay, here a triangle given. Okay, this is a given triangle. MNO. MNO. So always this vertex indicate with capital letters only. Okay, మనం ఏ ఫిగర్ అయినా తీసుకోండి, ట్రయాంగిల్ కానీ లేకపోతే స్క్వేర్, రెక్టాంగిల్, ఎనీ ఫిగర్, ఎనీ క్లోజ్డ్ ఫిగర్, బట్ యు టేక్ ఓన్లీ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్. డోంట్ యూస్ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్. తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, లెటర్స్ వర్టెక్స్ ఇండికేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ మాత్రం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే చూడండి, MNO. Here given triangle is MNO. Here 2 angles given. And this is third angle, right angle. This is right angle triangle. Okay, ee symbol unte enti ante right angle triangle. See children, here angles are indicated with R. Okay, itla artho indicate chesam, but here given different because this is right angle ante ila unte right angle that is 90 degrees. Okay children, because here perpendicular idanu unte ela unte perpendicular means two straight and here. Okay, so this is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Okay, now see here, the given triangle is MNO. See here, first question, how many angles are there in the triangle? What are they? In triangle మనకి ఎన్ని angles ఉంటాయి? 3 angles ఉంటాయి. 1 2 3, 3 sides, 3 vertex, 3 angles. So 3 angles are there. 3 angles. How many angles are there? 3 angles. Okay, next what are the angles? Angles and చెప్పండి. See children, first MNO, triangle MNO. This is first angle. N దగ్గర angle form అయింది కాబట్టి. Next NOM, triangle MON, triangle MON. Next triangle NOM, triangle NOM. See, 3 angles. N దగ్గర ఒక యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది, M దగ్గర ఒక యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది. ట్రయాంగిల్ NMNO. ఓకే చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ MO ఎంత వచ్చింది కదా, హియర్ NMO. Triangle MNO and next one MON. Next one NMO. Okay, 3 angles are there. Which is the next second problem. What is the angle opposite to MN? What is the angle opposite to MN? ఈ MN కి opposite లో ఉన్న angle ఏంటి? O. Angle O is angle O. O is the angle opposite to MN. Opposite to MN. Okay, MN ki opposite of angle ఏది అంటే angle O. Okay, next Next third one. Where is the right angle in the given triangle? Where is the right angle in the given triangle? ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ లో మనకి రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? n దగ్గర ఉందా, m దగ్గర ఉందా, o దగ్గర ఉందా? ఓకే, సో ఈ సింగిల్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి లైన్స్, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ యాంగిల్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకి రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అయింది. సో ఎట్ o, ఎట్ వర్టెక్స్ o, ఓకే, వర్టెక్స్ o దగ్గర మనకి ఏమైంది? రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అయింది. ఓకే, this is the 3 answers. Okay children, now exercise 9.2 also completed. Okay, note down, write neatly.